Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto ham bites. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 8 ounces of ham, and I'm just using the cubed ham from Kroger. Then you need 4 ounces of cream cheese softened, 1/3 cup of some kind of flour. I am using Carbquik, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and then 1.5 cups of any kind of shredded cheese that you want, and then 3 eggs that are beaten. Let's preheat our oven to 350 and line a large cookie sheet with parchment paper. Next, you want to go ahead and combine your softened cream cheese and your ham until they are completely combined. We're just going to stir that with a spoon. That looks great. So now we are just going to add all of our remaining ingredients, and then we are going to put that in the refrigerator for 10 minutes to chill it. All right, I have everything mixed together here. So now, like I said, I'm going to stick that in the refrigerator for 10 minutes to chill. My dough just came out of the refrigerator after 10 minutes, and now I'm just going to take my cookie scooper and scoop these out onto my prepared pan. And you should get 24. It just depends on the size and how tightly you pack them. All right, I was able to get 24 of the little size bites here on my baking sheet, and now I'm going to get these in the oven for 20 to 23 minutes at 350 degrees. My ham bites just came out of the oven, and you can see mine did kind of spread out, so maybe leave them in the refrigerator maybe 20 to 30 minutes if you don't want them to spread as much, but they still look delicious, and I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.